Hello guys, this is video on how to remove pollen filter or cabin filter on Opel Corsa F year 2021. I believe it is the same for all engines. So Corsa F. There is a lot of bolts in changing this filter. Remove this plastic here on passenger side, so you have two clips, just yank it out. Now you have this plastic here. You also just carefully yank it out. You have clips, as you can see. Okay, that's pretty basic. Then you have T20 bolts. There are a lot of bolts, as you can see. You have here and here on the upper side. You have here and here 2 bolts. You have here bolt, there down bolt, and you have on the bottom side of the compartment, passenger compartment, here and here 2 bolts, here and here. And then you can remove it all. You see this, it sits in this hole, so yank it out like this, spin it around a little, and you have this. You just press this clip and you will be able to, on here, just press this and then you will be able to remove the connector and remove the box on the side. Also you have here this bolt or screw on this side here. You will see it's silver. And then you have this little T20 also screw bolt. It is in here, see it? Yeah. Then you have clip here and here, and just pull it to this side. Then you can come to the filter, pollen filter. I see that it is in 2 parts. Just take one part out and then take the other part out and put the new filter same way inside. Put the bottom part and then pull it to the upper side, and then you will be able to put the bottom side. And that's it. It isn't quite easy. It's easier to change oil than this filter, but never mind. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.